Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren. This is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is an unboxing. It's an Influenster unboxing. I ripped it, so yeah, excuse that. But this is a makeup unboxing video. It's by NYX, and as you can tell, you can see what's on it. The Wonder Stick. So when I unbox it, that's all they had in there. Just this card and the actual Wonder Stick. So I'm just going to take everything out. So this is the new face shaping duo. It highlights, contours, blend like a wonder. It has a creamy formula and available in 8 shades. And it's vegan and cruelty free. So in this video, it's going to be a little different than most of my unboxing because I'm actually going to demo it and review it in this as well. I used it on this makeup look, but you'll have to watch the rest of the videos to see how that experience was. But a pro tip, I'm just reading out the card right now: apply light shade to the high points of the face and dark shades to hollow the points of the face and blend. That's this. And then this is the packaging. This is in the color medium tan. Mine is. Yeah, that's what the backs look like, the front. And I'm just gonna open it for you. This is the packaging. So again, this is the NYX Wonder Stick. So this is my contour shade right here, and I'm going to, that's what that looks like. And then this is the highlights shade. That's what that looks like. It's pretty. Both shades are pretty. I will say, applying it and actually using it on my face, it is a very, very creamy formula, which I actually appreciate. But if you would like to see how I liked this product, how was the experience, keep watching this video. I'm going to show you, all of that, and I'm going to leave a review at the end. So keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I don't know how I look on the camera. To me, I look really washed out, but as you can tell by the unboxing in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be trying this Wonder Stick by NYX or NYX. And like I was explaining, it's half contour and half like highlighter. Now I set my under eye and nose and stuff with powder, which I probably shouldn't have now that I think about it, but this is what it looks like. That's what this part looks like. And then the other half, and that's what that looks like. I hope neither of these shades is too dark for my complexion, but I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to apply it. You're going to watch me blend it out, and then at the end, I'll show you my final look once I'm done with everything. But let me go ahead and try this. I'm going to use this. I'm going to apply it on my hand like so, just like that, and put it on my brush. I like that. Now I'm going in with the highlighter side, and I'm going to do the same thing, just apply it on my hand. And I'm actually going to just use my finger to apply that. And yeah. Okay, I'm gonna finish my face and kind of get this situation situated, and then I'll be back with the final product. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of my makeup look. That's how my contour is looking. I don't know if I blended it out right, and the highlight, I don't know. I'm just gonna give you like a quick review, I guess. I do not think this NYX Wonder Stick paired well with my other products. Maybe it's because I had already powdered my face and I should use this before my concealer and before powdering. I don't know, but I feel like it picked up the product, so I don't know if it really paired that well. Out of 5 stars, I would probably just give it a 3 because it does have a lot of potential, and I can see this looking really good if you were not trying to wear makeup but trying to, you know, add different shades and stuff into your face, add color on a very, very light makeup day if you wear makeup on the daily. This would be really good for that. But as for a beat face and how I did my makeup today, it was just kind of picking up the products. But I used the contour and a little bit of the highlight side as my lipstick today. At first I was just going to outline my lips with the contour side, but I decided to just put it all on my lips. I have a time-lapse video of me doing it. Maybe I'll insert it, I don't know. But if I don't, just believe me. I have a reel on this look on my Instagram. By the time you're watching this, like, it's already on my Instagram. And I put a little bit of the highlight shade in the middle. I've been talking for a while and stuff, so it probably blended out by now. But yeah, I give this a 3 out of 5 as for how I did my makeup today. But that doesn't mean that you wouldn't like it, or, you know. But yeah, that's it for this video. This is definitely a differently styled video than I would typically do. You know, I would just unbox it and then I would have a separate video for a review. But you know, it's all together today. So if you enjoyed this style of a video and you enjoyed this unboxing, all of this, give me a big old thumbs up. Comment down below if you have used that Wonder Stick. Comment down below and let me know. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I want to see you in my next one. Bye.